How to change Google Play Store country. First, open the Google Play Store and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, tap Settings, then select General and go to Account and Device Preferences. Now, look for the Country and Profiles option. If Google detects that you're in another country, you'll see an option to switch to that country's Play Store. Tap the new country and follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to add a payment method from the new country before the change can be completed. Keep in mind that Google only allows you to change your Play Store country when you're actually located in the new country, and you generally need to wait at least 90 days before changing it again. Your Play balance and some subscriptions may also be affected. After changing the country, it can take up to 48 hours for your Play Store profile to update. That's it. That's how you can change your Google Play Store country or region. If this tutorial helped, hit like and subscribe for more Android tips, Google tutorials, and easy tech guides.